Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As how is everybody doing? Apa kabar? Harap semuanya kabar baik ya. Today is Thursday, December 17th, and we got a lot of snow. As you can see, this is right outside the window. We are snowed in, everybody. If you can see, let me see. As you can see, the neighbor is using, I don't know, whatever you call that, shoveling the snow with a machine. Can you see on the right side? Yeah, we got snowed in. I mean, so this is our first real snow of the season of 2020. I would call this a blizzard. It's because it's still snowing. And Knit, you love snow, Knit? So we're snowed in, people. I'm feeling a little bit cold. Alright, people, just a little update. Hey, Knit, just a little update. Say something? Wanna say something? Say something, Ma? Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.